Hello everyone, my name is Chivizo NTR. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate reactions of a simple supported beam by applying the law of moments. So let's start. Okay, before you calculate, you have to apply the following formula. Okay, you take moments around RL. It means you are going to take your moments around RL here, around RL. So we are taking moments around RL. Let me highlight RL with this color. So here is where we are taking our moments. So let's start. We'll say anti-clockwise moments equals to clockwise moments. Then step number 2, it will be like this. We are going to identify those clockwise moments or clockwise forces and anti-clockwise forces. So to identify those forces, you must understand the following. All the forces which are on the right hand side of RL, they are going to be considered as clockwise forces or clockwise moments. And all the forces or all the moments which are on the left hand side are going to be considered as anti. So, and if you are saying all the forces which are on the right are clockwise forces, we mean only those who are pointing downwards, but the one which is opposing is going to be anti. Like if we check, we have RL here. This is RL. Then from then on the right we have 6 kilonewton, which is our clockwise. 11 kilonewton, it will be clockwise. 42 kilonewton, it will be clockwise. 15 kilonewton, or it will be clockwise. Okay, let me do it in this way. This one, it will be clockwise kilonewton. 15 kilonewton, it will be clockwise. So it will be clockwise. Then, but the one which is opposing on the right is RR, is going upwards, which means it's going to be anti. Okay, let me go to anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise, there are those forces which are on the right, on the left of RL. We have 20 kilonewton, and then we also have this force. Let me check. 10 kilonewton. So I will start with those forces. This is 20 kilonewton. Let me start here. It will be 20 kilonewton multiplied by the distance of 2,5 meters, then plus 10 kilonewton multiplied by the distance from A to C, which is 1,25 meters. So plus RR multiplied by the distance of 11,5 meters. 11,5 is the distance between the supports. Then equals to clockwise moments. Clockwise moments, it will be 6 kilonewton multiplied by the distance, which is 0,75 plus this one, 6 kilonewton, then plus 11 kilonewton multiplied by the distance. From 11 kilonewton, the distance is 5,5. It will be 4 plus 1,5 or 5,5 meters. Then plus or this one 42 kilonewton, 42 kilonewton multiplied by the distance. The distance, let's check, from 32 kilonewton, from 42 kilonewton, it will be 3 meters, plus 4, which is 7 meters. This one is 8,5 meters. Then plus 15 kilonewton, 15 kilonewton multiplied by the distance from 15 to RL, it will be 11,5 meters. So then let's get the calculator. This is my calculator. I will use this calculator. So I will say 20 multiplied by 2,5 equals to 50. Here I will write 50 kilonewton meter. Then plus 50 kilonewton meter plus calculator again. I have 10 multiplied by 1,25. It's 12,5. Then this one, it will be 12,5 kilonewton meter. Then plus, let me go again to the calculator. We have 11 RRM, which is equals to, I will say 6 multiplied by 0.75. This is 4,5. Okay, 4,5 kilonewton meter. Then plus 4,5. Let me check here. 4,5. Okay, let me say 11 multiplied by 12, or 11 multiplied by 5. 11 multiplied by 5, 5. Answer 60,5. Then I will have 60,5 kilonewton meter plus, then 60,5. Then we have 42 multiplied by, this is 42 multiplied by 8,5 equals to 3. This is 357. 357 kilonewton meter plus 357 is 42 multiplied by 8,5. Now we have 25 multiplied by 11,5 equals to 287. Let me check this 25. I don't have 25 in my del. This is 15, not 25. This is 15, not 25. This is 15, which means it will be 15 multiplied by 11 comma 5 equals to 172 comma 5. This is 172 comma 5, 172 comma 5 kilonewton meter. So it is like this. Then I will add this one and this one. Let me add 50 plus 12 comma 5 equals to 62 comma 5. 62 comma 5 kilonewton meter plus 11 rrm equals to, let me add this one, 4 comma 5 plus 60 comma 5 plus 357 plus 172 comma 5 equals to 594 comma 5. This is 594 comma 5. Let me check on the calculator. 594 comma 5 kilonewton meter. Then here I'm going to do it like this. It will be 594 minus 62 comma 5. How much? 53. 532. This one is 532. This is 532 kilo newton meter equals to 11,5 rrm. This is 11,5. 11,5. Even here we have 11,5. Not 11. 11,5. This is 11,5. So the answer will be divided by 11,5. So yes, 46,2, 46,26. It means RR equals to 46, 260 or 61, just because we are using 261, just because we are using 8. Okay, this is our R kilo newton. Let's go to the second calculation. The second calculation, we are going to calculate let me do it in this way. Say to calculate RL, take moments around RR. Then we will say anti-clockwise moments equals to clockwise moments. It means it will be like this. It will be like this. So it's when we are going to identify our forces. Just because we are taking our moments around RR, it means all forces which are on the left are going to be considered as anti-clockwise, except the one which is opposing. The one which is opposing is RL. Okay, I've already explained that before. So let's go. Those forces are anti-clockwise. Like we have 42 kilonewton multiplied by the distance. Distance, it will be 3 meters. The distance is 3 meters. Then let's go to another one. Another one, it will be 11 kilonewton multiplied by the distance. On the 11 distance, it will be 6 meters. So let's go to 6 kilonewton. 6 kilonewton. The distance will be let's go to the calculator. It will be like 4 plus 6 plus 0.75. This is the distance. It will be 10.75. 10.75 meters. This is the distance. Then plus, or we have 10 kilonewton. 10 kilonewton multiplied by the distance. Distance of 10 kilonewton, it will be like this. It will be 11.5 plus 1.25, which is 12.75. Yes, this is 12.75. Okay, 12.75 meters. Let's go to another one. We have the last one, which is 20 kilonewton multiplied by the distance. The distance, it will be 11.5 multiplied by, okay, not multiplied by, 11.5 plus, okay, it will be 11.5 plus 2.5 equals to 14 meters. Then it will be like this. So equals to RL multiplied by the distance. The distance is 11.5 meters. This is RL. So let me do it in this way. So let me use my calculator. 42 times 3 equals to 126. This is 126 kilonewton meter. Then plus 11 11 times 6 equals to 66 kilonewton meters. Then plus 6 times 10 comma 75 equals to 64,5. This one is 64,5 kilonewton meters. Then in this way, 10 times 12,5, it will be 10 times 10 times 12 comma 75 equals to 127,5. 127,5. Let me check. 127,5 kilonewton meters. Then plus 20 multiplied by 14. 20 multiplied by 14 equals to 280 kilonewton meter equals to 11,5 RLM. So from here, let's add. It will be 126 plus 66 plus 64,5 plus 127,5 plus 280 equals to 664. This one is 664. Let me check. 126, 66, 64,5 plus 127 plus 280, 664. This one is 664 kilonewton meter equals to 11,5 RLM. So divide by 11,5 equals to 57,3. 50 RL equals to 57,3. 57,3 what? 4. 57,74. Let's say 74. This is my RL, kilonewton. Then from here, there is something which we have to do. We have to check our answer. Check. When we check, we say upwards force must equals to downwards force. Then if it is like this, we have 57,74 plus, let me check, 14 6 comma 2 6 1 equals to 104,000. Okay, this is 104,000. 104,001 equals to, let's go to the upwards forces, the downwards forces. This is the, let me check, this is the upwards forces. Let's go to the downwards forces. For the downwards forces, it means let me go and check. It will be 10 plus 20 plus 6 plus 11 plus 42 plus 15. If 104 straight, 104, 104. So we do it like this. This is 104. We round it to the nearest 10, equals to 104 kilo Newton. This one is kilo Newton. Even this one is kilo Newton. This one is 104.00 kilo Newton. It means on our side everything is correct. Everything is correct here. Everything is correct. So it means our RL equals to 57. Okay, let's leave it like this. Let me put it here. I will, this is 57 comma, let me check, 57 comma 74, 57 comma 74. This is our R, or is it RR or RL? RL. Okay, it is like this. Let's go to RR. Okay, let me, do it like this. This is 46 comma, this is 46 comma 261 kilo Newton. Okay, so this is our beam. This is our R and RL. This is how we calculate these reactions. Thank you for watching. Until we meet next time, then next time, or our next lesson, it will be on the shear force. We'll be using the same beam on shear forces. Thank you.